agriculture provides the principal means of livelihood for over 58% of India's population. Yet, its contribution is a dismal one-fifth of the total GDP. For a sector which directly contributes to the nation's food security and raw materials to a large number of industries, low and volatile growth rates mean a threat to economic well-being and survival of its farmers. On top of that, farmers remain only tenuously connected to the network of agriculture universities and NGOs, which respectively run Krishi Vigyan Kendra or KVKs in most districts, to help farmers learn better technology and benefit from the expertise of agricultural scientists. But now, there is an emerging hope that this might change with the stroke of low-cost application of information and communication technology known as Kisan Sanchar.
Basically, Kisan Sanchar is an interactive platform for the scientists and agricultural experts to share their knowledge and technology with the farmers through mobiles.
Conceptualized by Kamaljeet, promoter of Innovation Promotion Company, Kisan Sanchar was launched in August 2010, seeing an opportunity in high penetration of mobile phones amongst farmers in Haryana. Accordingly, Innovation Promotion Company developed a web portal called kisansanchar.com, which is currently helping 62,000 farmers across 8 states receive free expert advice pertaining to higher yield and lesser cost through SMSs. The expert advisory is prepared by agricultural scientists who work at KVKs and is prioritized on the basis of relevance and time. The KVKs then upload the advisory onto Kisan Sanchar website using a unique login ID and password. After submission by the KVKs, the content is visible to the team at Kisan Sanchar, which in turn verifies the content and broadcasts it as SMS on scheduled date and time. In addition, Kisan Sanchar also updates on the website the literature developed by agricultural universities on a daily basis to help scientists too learn from the latest and share it with farmers. A call center helps making sure that a two-way interactivity is maintained between farmers and scientists. As about the medium of text messages, Kisan Sanchar broadcasts messages in 4 languages readable in most phones.
For English to Hindi and the other languages, we are using a transliterate. It is basically a transliterate which is converting the English text, the Roman English text, into the Devanagari, Gurmukhi, Gujarati, as well as basically the English language. We are 4 languages. It is converting into 4 languages, and for this it is basically need that the user should have a Unicode message facility in his cell.
KVK Ambala is one of the NGO-run KVKs, which is reaching out to over 500 distant farmers literate in Hindi, Punjabi and English.
Here we had 5 blocks in the Ambala, and each block is in different localities which may cover the 100 to 120 kilometers far from this very KVK. So it is not being possible to reach to each and every farmer at the time of certain kind of problems and whatsoever being the current cropping time and all that. So in this regard, this is the best services to reach to the each and every farmers of the you can say the blocks, different blocks.
And to maximize the message reach, this KVK also uses a network of Kisan clubs, where farmers having the facility are spreading the word amongst those who don't.
कई बार जैसे अपने किसान क्लब हैं, वो अपने साथ जो किसान और अपने पड़ोसी हैं वो जुड़े होते हैं अपने पास, उनको बताते हैं भी तूने कौन सी स्प्रे की, ये तकनीक कैसे अपनाई है, कैसे पता लगा है, फिर हमको बतलाते हैं कि तेपड़ा की तरफ से हमें मैसेज आते हैं फ़ोन में, और ऐसे ऐसे करके ये मैसेज आप भी यूज करके देखो, आप भी ये तकनीक अपना के देखो तो आपको बहुत फ़ायदा होगा.
But not far from here, Senior Coordinator SP Goyal of KVK Kurukshetra thinks it's essential to have voice messages to reach out directly to illiterate farmers.
तो वॉइस मैसेज भी साथ हो, किसान थोड़ी सी आवाज़ सुने भी ये वैज्ञानिक बोल रहा है, ये बड़ी वो सब जानते हैं यहाँ डिस्ट्रिक्ट में, सभी उनकी क्रेडिबिलिटी है, तो यदि वैज्ञानिक उसमें बोल ले साथ में वॉइस मैसेज हो तो मैं समझता हूँ कि ज़्यादा इफेक्टिव रहेगा.
Accordingly, Kisan Sanchar is currently conducting a voice message pilot in Junagadh district of Gujarat and is planning to soon make the service applicable in other states as well. As for the SMS service, the impact has been considerable for most farmers. Rampal Singh from Thepla village in Ambala quantifies this benefit in terms of his yield and reduced cost.
आज पीछे गन्ना बिजाई किया था नए रेजर से, उसमें मेरा गन्ने का बीज बहुत कम लगा और उसमें खाद भी कम लगी। मेरे को गन्ना 390 क्विंटल गन्ना मैंने निकाला है। अच्छा मेरे को बेनिफिट हुआ।
Additionally, the farmers are also becoming aware of the potential of the service, and the more informed amongst them are fraught with suggestions to better the service content.
मैं यही कहूँगा, एक तो वेदर फोरकास्ट, सेकेंडली अवेलेबिलिटी ऑफ सीड्स, नंबर 3 latest varieties from all other universities which are sown, which can be sown in our area. इस टाइप की फैसिलिटी हम लोग एक तो चाहते हैं।
But what about the sustainability of the service? Since the farmer gets the service free of cost, just how does Kisan Sanchar sustain itself? The answer is surprisingly simple, and one that results in a win-win for all stakeholders. Kisan Sanchar charges an annual subscription fee of Rs 3,000 to 75 KVKs in Haryana, Punjab, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, Delhi, Rajasthan and Gujarat. Additionally, a quarterly bill is raised for SMSs sent by KVKs at 8 paisa per text message and 60 paisa for every voice message. A character limit of 180 is allowed per message, and a maximum of 3 messages can be sent in one go, utilizing the character limit. Each set is counted as one message. The KVKs pay their bills from the funding received from Indian Council of Agricultural Research or ICAR for this purpose. Thus, farmers get right information on time, KVKs are able to provide rapid dissemination of knowledge among farmers, and Kisan Sanchar achieves its objectives of developing forward linkages for farmers without entailing a personal cost. Such has been the success of Kisan Sanchar that as of December 2010, over 700,000 messages had been sent to 62,000 farmers in 8 states, and by 2013, Kisan Sanchar projects to earn a net profit of ₹1 million while helping thousands of farmers substantially improve their income, yield, knowledge and employment opportunities.